How to fix Windows activation error code 0x803F7000 or 0x803F7000. 1. Run activation troubleshooter. Plan B, run the following bat file as admin. Code at echo off loop script /nalago slmgr.vbs. /8 if error level 0, go to end go to loop end echo activation was successful. Press any key to close this window. Pause null exit 2. Google how to activate Windows after hardware change. 3. Purchase Windows license. 4. Activate via Microsoft Chat support. 5. Contact PC manufacturer.